Now, so a friend of mine have been buying items, shopping on Jumia for the past 1 year, and I remember I called him to ask, you, how much did they earn from these things you did buy? I said, nah, I be Jumia, they just did buy, then maybe take do your thing. I said, nah, there's actually a way you can earn commissions while buying on the app, and I'm sure you are new to this. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Let me show you. So this Jumia's sister company or is part of Jumia's affiliate programs. The name is Jumia Force. So basically what they do is they pay you commissions upon fulfilling successful deliveries on all orders you've placed during the 1st to 15th of the month and from the 15th to 31st or the 30th of the month. And to begin this, you need someone to actually recruit you into the program. So if you're interested, make sure you drop your name, your phone number, and your email address via my Instagram or my email. You can check my Instagram down below in the description. And after I recruit you, they will send you an invite via mail. You register and you set your own password. And anytime you want to shop on Jumia, all you need to do is visit the JForce app. Then it will direct you back to Jumia. Anytime you buy anything on the app, it tracks the order and automatically detects and give you commission after the package has been delivered to you. So this is how it actually works. Let's hop onto my machine and let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is my dashboard and this is my commission for this month, this 1st to 14th February. I bought an item worth 95 cedis and I had 31 cedi commission. And the minimum payout for Jumia JForce is 700 cedis. So it depends on what you've been buying, or it doesn't necessarily mean you buying stuff for yourself. You can take out people orders upon yourself and buy them in their name, deliver them, and at the end of the day you are getting paid for just buying gadgets, phones, anything for people on Jumia. This is how the commission is structured. Let me go to the commission tab. So this February I had 31 cedis from my sales. Let's go back to January. That's January 15th to 31st. I think the 1st to 14th I made, let me check my sales. Yeah, so from 15th to 31st January I made a purchase of I purchased 4 items worth 1,400 cedis. And I got 24 cedis, 88 pesos from one of the items, and I had 31 cedis, 41 pesos from the other. So I haven't reached the threshold for withdrawal yet, so it will be pushed to next month. This month, that's 31st earnings, if I'm able to reach the 700 threshold. So all this will be added to February 15th to 31st commission. So and that's how they have success rates. That's the delivery success, how fast the order was delivered or how fast you went to pick up the order at your pickup station, or the order arrived and you actually went to pay. Sometimes I opt for cash on delivery, and sometimes I pay via card, Momo, and the other payment options on the site. So as you can see, I don't have any team member here, so if I'm interested, I'll just recruit any team member, and you get 25 cedis for joining my team. And I also get 25 cedis for recruiting you. Anytime I purchase something via JForce, we earn commissions on my side, and I also earn commissions anytime you purchase something on Jumia. So it's a win-win for both parties. You can even recruit a store of people selling, and you can start making money off Jumia. So this is the vendor who recruited me into the team. You can see there are badges to everyone. I think her badge is on probation right now. And I think I'm on the same level as her. Let me check. So this is the referral bonus you get. Let me check my profile. Yeah, let me check my level. So I'm on probation for now. Anytime I'm able to hit the 700 cedi threshold, I'll be pushed to the bronze step. And I think from there, I need to earn more than 1,000 cedis to be able to cash out via their platform. And they have chat groups and communities you can join in case you want to learn more about the affiliate program. I'll leave the WhatsApp and the Telegram link below so you can join them. So make sure you like the video, you comment, share it to your friend as well. I'll see you again in the next video.